have screwed up a lot of things in my life. Like, screwed up things in my business, screwed up things in my marriage and my health. I mean, it took me 3 times just to, as a technician, 3 times, because I didn't go to school for heating and air conditioning. I had no book smarts whatsoever. I studied, but it seems like the test was written in a foreign language. So it took me 3 times to pass my journeyman's license exam. It took me, in the first 5 years of my business, I almost lost my wife. I was raised an only child. Both of my parents died. IRS debt, like, up to my eyeballs. But somehow I was able to turn it around. Sometimes I'm not even sure, I do know exactly what I did to turn it around, but I'm not sure how I made it through that time because the stress was just so tremendous. It was a lot of weight to bear. And although I've screwed all of these things up in my life, one thing I have not screwed up is putting together the roadmap, the blueprint to flip things around, to pivot from your current position in your business, no matter where you are at, to start moving in the right direction. This didn't just happen overnight. This happened over a decade of me trying to figure out what I was doing wrong, or why things weren't working, or why we weren't getting ahead, or why I wasn't able to add people, why I wasn't able to do the things that I wanted to do in business faster. So the results that I got in my business, I don't expect people to be able to get those types of results. I don't expect them to do anything because they're going to have to take action for them to get any results whatsoever. But what I know with certainty is that they can do far more than me in way shorter amount of time. They can grow legacies in a far shorter amount of time because it shouldn't have taken that long. So when I teach and I share, I omit all the things that did not work. All the stuff that I tried that did not work, that did not produce results. I just leave that stuff out because we don't need to do those things. Because I know from experience that they just don't work. We're doing a workshop, a 1-day workshop, 5 power moves to profit. I hope that you'll join, because I'm going to be sharing with you 5 power moves to make you more profitable. Because I know through working with hundreds of contractors, through my own experience as a contractor for so many years, there's only so many things you can do to ensure that you're making a lot more money. And I'm going to be sharing those things with you. Coach Natalia is going to be sharing as well in this workshop, the 5 power moves to profit. So I'm going to gift you the first 3 chapters of my book. I think you're going to love them. And when you click that link and you enter your email and you grab that information, you'll be invited to join the workshop. And I hope to see you there. Because there's nothing more fulfilling to me than helping people move forward faster in their business. So if you want to get better results in your business, you want to earn more money if that's important to you. Because that's the thing, guys. I always tell people when they say, I want to hire more people, or I need to buy another van, or I need an install crew, or I want to get a shop. Or it's just I want to spend less time in the office. I want to, be able to delegate more things to my team so that I can actually gain some of my freedom back. Whatever it is that you're looking to do in your business, I can tell you that you're only a few moves away from that happening. And I'm willing to bet money that it's going to be included in one of these 5 moves. Now, if you're a a rock star, you'll take all these 5 moves that we're going to teach in this workshop and you'll immediately apply them in your business. So I hope that you'll join us. Grab the first 3 chapters of my book completely on me. If anything, if you aren't interested in joining the workshop, read those first 3 chapters. Those first 3 chapters alone could change your life. Enjoy the free gift, and if you're interested in joining the workshop, be sure to sign up. It's like $27, I think, so it virtually costs you nothing. It's going to cost you a little bit of time, but I can promise you that I'm not going to waste that time, because I understand how valuable and precious your time is. If there's anyone that understands that, it's me, because I wasted so many years trying to figure things out in my business. So I'll see you on the workshop. Till then, go make money. I'm going to show you how to make a lot more in your business. Boom.